Welcome SB Rashid AC Repairing and Servicing. Now I'll show you how to we are doing leak repairing perfectly. You can see now here all pipe leak. Maximum pipe is leak, almost all pipe. You see now we are doing soldering. Every pipe we are doing soldering all side. All side we are soldering. You see, this outside unit have some pipe leak, not all, only for joint leak outside unit. So we making all the joint leak repairing, all the joint make soldering. After finish soldering, we are doing painting. It's painting for if doing painting perfectly after not coming again leak. If you need like that perfect work, please call this number.